channel GT Talks Tech. So today I'm gonna do a very small video on how to install Nuget package offline. So you must have seen that whenever we are developing onto our development machine, most of the times the internet is not enabled on that machine, and there is a need of a Nuget package somewhere or the other, and in that case we face some issue. Now, how to get this Nuget package from other machine loaded onto our development machine and somehow get reference of that Nuget package so that we have those references in the project code, and that is what we're gonna do a demo on today. So let's quickly start a demo. I'll just open my Visual Studio. Okay, I'll say continue. So I'll take a new project. Let's do a file, new project. Okay, so I'll take a console application. Okay, let's name test Nuget offline. Yep. So I kept it in the default structure and let solution and project be in the same directory, and I'll create this. Okay, now the project is created. So this is the project and this is the dependency file. We don't have any Nuget packages right now, and this is just one program.cs which is just showing us a main static void main and with a console.writeline hello world. Now if I go to these dependencies and try to manage a Nuget package, I go to browse, and if I check now, for me the internet is enabled right now. So if I go and search for any of these packages, I can directly go here, click on any of one of this package and choose one of the latest stable version and go and install it directly. Now the problem will be when I don't have internet enabled. Okay, so once I disable my internet, now I won't be able to get any of the connections to from nuget.org. So what I will do now, in that case, if I want to add a dependency, what should I do? So first step will be, I'll be going to Google and downloading the Nuget package from Nuget package home. Okay, so this is the official site of Nuget package, and that is basically nuget.org, from where we get these packages directly. Now I'm gonna try it with Newtonsoft. Now this is one of the DLLs which everyone is using for JSON serializer deserializing. Okay, so this one, I'll go there. So here if you click on open on this one of the DLLs, you can see everything over here, like what are the dependencies for this Newtonsoft JSON or whatever DLL you are trying to install. You will also find out more details like which are the version history, because there may be the case right now I created a console application which belongs to core. Now you may be using a older .NET Framework 4.55. So based on that dependencies, you can select the version, and once you click on any of these versions, now by default it has been pointing to the latest stable version, that is 12.0.2. so if you go and click on any of these versions, so it will allow you to download that particular version. Okay, so this download package will install me the version 12.0.1. now I am going forward to install the latest version, that is 12.0.2. so what I will do is I'll download this package. Yeah, so what I will go is I'll go to E drive. I'll create a new folder over here. I'll say offline files. Okay, say open and say save. Okay, so it got saved into offline files. Now what are the next steps that I need to do? So go back to your Visual Studio, go to tools, Nuget package manager and package manager settings. So by default it will be having a Nuget package manager. Inside that there is a general. In general it is saying that allow Nuget to download missing packages, automatically check for missing packages during the build. So that's why you must have seen when I'm building anything, and if any of the packages been missing, it will be automatically downloaded. But now since I am offline, this development machine doesn't have internet, what I will do is I'll go to package resources. Okay, now package resources is basically pointing to nuget.org. Now to have a offline package, what I'll do is I'll create a new package source. Okay, so I click on this add, and a package source is created. Now I give some good name to this package source. So I'll say offline packages. Okay, and in the source I'll give the file path where I have just downloaded the Newtonsoft package. So I go to E drive, offline files, and here is where I have downloaded the Nuget package. So I say update, and over here you can see offline packages pointed to E drive, offline files. I say okay. Now if I go ahead and add a dependency now, so manage Nuget packages, see over here the offline packages can be seen now. So this is the one which I just downloaded, which I created. If I click over here, well, I can directly click and install. I won't have any other options. On online I have multiple options to show. Here I don't, because there is only one package which I have. So I go ahead and install it. Okay, yeah, so it has finished installing successfully. So if you go to the dependency, if you go to the Nuget package, and the newtonsoft.json is there in the Nuget folder right now in our project. Now I can use this dependency in my project as and when, like Newtonsoft I will be using for JSON serializer, deserializing. So same way now I can go ahead and download more such any third-party DLLs into that folder, and automatically I'll get an option in my offline project, in my offline source, package source, to install this package. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.